Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Coast and Fishing. We now reach here, we now go and try all the fish. I don't have an intro for the video, so I don't intro now. We go and fish in the backyard, right in our river here in Trinidad, Diego Martin River. We have some family living here, so we have access to the backyard. Some artificial, some cut bait. We go see if we catch anything. If we catch anything, you'll see it on video. If not, well, you can see none of this. It's a quick morning session to get these youths. This man, Starboy, Faraz, well, J-Lo, trying to catch some fish there. That's the Lego master himself. See, catch anything, you see it. Keep fishing, fish. Throw back out, Papa. Throw in the school. Fish on already. Fish on already. This man fight. This man getting fight. Nice one, boy. It's our whole school. That thing pulling hard, bro. Nice fish, brother. Nice fish, bro. You pull hard, eh? Nah, it's cavali. It's cavali. The whole big school of cavali. Keep on throwing, Papa.
Oh, big fish.
Fish on, bro. Trout, cast on trout. The whole school right here. I'm gonna ask Mama that bucket again. This one? Nah, the next one. Yeah, this one. Yeah. The water clean, boy, J-Lo, boy. Them fish living still or dead?
They're living.
That is cavali trout. Let's see if I can throw as close to that as possible.
Yeah, like cavali.
Like cavali feeding on small fish. Throw towards them.
Hey, nice one,
Fish on! Papa, throw and wrap in a little faster. Because they're going to be right behind you. The fish right behind you. Well done, bro. Pilton, wrap in a little faster. And wrap in a little faster than wrapping. There's a whole big school of cavali. Nice cavali too, boy. Yeah. They're wrapping a little faster, right? They like the wrapping a little faster.
So fast. Hey, look,
wait, that man take that next one.
Look, one come behind.
Throw back. Oh, let's stop sticking. Throw back. Me have no bait on my line, sir. What the hell? Can pick top one now, jump there, boy. Monster, boy. Yeah. You might want next fish there? He come out? You catch him? That man boots the fish, boy.
Look, something following you right here. Watch for us, wrap. Following you. Back, watch. Looky, oh my god.
Oh.
Looky,
yeah, the fish real aggressive, boy.
Watch that attacking this one.
Oh god. Hey, this cavali going mad, boy. It's a whole big school. What is that? Like cavali, boy, like cavali. Fish on. Yeah, Papa, when you throw this line, you'll catch one instantly. Your bait a little better. My bait a little better than that one.
Oh. Hey,
come, Papa, come. Hey, Papa, let's throw this one on. Wrap it in and jig it and wrap it in, right? Oh, right here. You have him already. Well done, Papa. Bring him in. This is the most action ever. Oh shit. My cavali is nice fish, boy. Or they could cook all this cavali if I wanted. Insane cavali action here, guys. Try again, Papa. Let me throw this bait by the time. You can have our next one already. Oh, come off. Throw back again. And now see two tarpon come over there.
Why does it get weird?
So you look, check it out.
Nah, tail bust out. Fix it down. Fix it. Pull up. You gotta fix it a little bit.
Big tap one there, boy.
You gotta fix it a little bit, Papa.
Why?
Big tap one.
What I should think of.
I tell you, them more to them.
Wait, you're putting out wool or something?
Hey, that's a big one. You carry it right here.
I think I can do that.
You can try it.
Who's that? Cavali again?
Yay! Big them fingerlings right there. That big ball change.
Yeah, bring it. I'm gonna change it.
Is that what size?
Nah, this is yellow tail. Oh, it's Cavali.
Surprise, bring them up there.
Oh, big school feeding show right now.
What about the fish body fiction there?
Which fish?
That one.
For what?
I don't know.
What you want to do with it?
Something following you, something going so long. Oh, you see? You see any waves coming
Literally
here?
following your story here.
Oh my god, sorry fish.
Just see.
Try mag the Papa.
It's spiky.
Hey! That must be a bite right there. And I see any waves coming here, you slow it down a little bit. Look! See?
Yeah, kill her. All these things set up for a muck.
Come in, there's a big one, eh?
Have him? You go straight now. Yeah, slacking the arm drag. A nice size one, boy. Right now, we have a big school of cavali in the water near the river, right? Oh, Miss Kalili.
Do you use this smallest one?
Yeah.
I think it's them oxygen.
Hey, that water stink, brother. Stop playing with it. That school of cavali massive, yes?
Why are you showing them so much?
I'm a bit cold, but I think Salah goes to.
Tap on. Tap on straight in front of you.
Lucky mash up your little way.
Take in a small little knob you have. Bring him and show off to the camera, bro.
You're not bit good.
God boy. Decent size snook, bro.
Yeah,
Snook.
but you swallow it.
Well done. Well,
just my
hey,
PB
wait.
common snook.
Nah, this is not a PB. The one you catch in the big, it was bigger than.
That was our first one.
No, that was a common snook.
You can't tell.
That was a cup. Swallow this bait, bro.
I know. And he's bleeding a lot. I have to keep him. Yeah, I keep him.
You go eat him?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
I
can
mean,
put him in the bucket.
this fish just got seriously hooked here, guys. He might not survive. Small man say you want to keep him. Not the cleanest river, but with high tide, we can take the chance and cook him.
Put in the bucket.
Nah, you
Why?
kill the mullet.
We're going to kill him all up. And I have some syrup on it.
Yeah.
Wait, I get something.
Yeah, boy, look at that tuck in you. It's a valley.
Oh, the cavali now take me there. Thought it was a snook, yes? Cavali come back. Snook ram. Right on the side. Snook ram. Oh my gosh, snook kill himself.
Look at Cavali, they're right behind me.
Why not you go inside?
Wait, real action in the day goes, yes? Oh, I know, nice one now, take me there. God, I might have to go down and rescue this snook. If he's solo, and he didn't trim the saffron eating them. Something playing with this line. See it jumping up.
Hey, look.
Bubbles, you see, look. I see, you see a fish killer. Something small playing with that rod. It was not a catfish. Okay, pull up that line and tray back out all the further. In the corner there. Oh, nah, the cavali right here, bro. Look a big tap on there, boy. Right there.
Oh yeah, fish on.
Oh, he come off, boy. One of those the tap on, boy. Drag was slack, yes. Somebody throw something there by that bottle. Look at cavali over there. Look at cavali there. Over there.
Oh, snook come up right there, boy.
Catch a cavali. Ain't that a nice fish, boy? Is that cavali or snook? Hey, little snook right at the side here, boy. Zillow pull up that cast and tray back out now. So the mother living, if he dead, chop him now.
What is that?
A man catch the tree, yes? Snook on! Them snook are real close. Oh, and there he goes. Quick release into the mud. Hopefully swim off, if not I'll go down for him. Killer, how you catch that tree, Killer? What the mullet? Just took up the camera, guys. Nice fat snook. Since that boy keeping fish, we'll keep this one for him to eat too. Well, look, come on, getting fish to eat, brother. Good day.
You could put it in the water.
Yeah, put him now. But you go there. There's an oxygen in the water.
No, the liver on.
Trolley line, guys. Snooks in the area. Snooks in the area.
No, no, you leave your line. You use that cut bait.
Yeah, you can rest it down. Just watch it. Mind it. Mind something pulled in the water. Well, I catch you small snapper last time. Snook again, boy. Snook right there, boy. Terrible. Body. I need a smaller bait here, guys. If I had a smaller bait, I catch this snook every cast. Balin, Jolly more small rod there. I'm going to chase all these snook by there with a living by. Fish on!
You see, I'm chasing them.
Hey, what's that?
I'm chasing them.
Whee!
He was really on this branch.
Oh, snook fall out right here, guys. Anybody want to go and release him for me? Hey, well done, bro. I like the fighting spirit. He going right by the branch. Bigger than that boy one? Three back.
Straight back?
Yeah, that come on. Is that fat you could keep? J-Lo killing the common snooks here, guys. We're trying to avoid that. Oh god, we done that already. Mash him in the head. Oh my, he did it twice there. GoPro's off all the time. Nice snook here again by Starboy, and my camera was off. This snook number, how much snook I get so far? Second one, the first one swallow, he can't eat that one. This one's good to release. So, eat him. There.
Look. Hey, that is the smallest.
Where's that?
Snook.
Starboy PB snook here, guys. 25 pounds without the 225.
Hey, big fish.
Where's that?
I don't know, but he's fair fighting.
Must be a big cavali. Wait!
Nice one.
Boss line. Make sure you drag not too slack, eh? Make sure you drag good. Yeah, fight him.
It's going on your line.
That's alright.
Nice one. Look him there.
I see it.
You stay and fight him. If that was a snook, to carry home. He wrap up on this line. Watch it, Papa Starboy.
Yo, that's a nice one, guys.
Yeah, you do worry about me. You do what you have to do. I go sort of this.
He done kind of fool.
He's moving like he kind of retarded.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, you have to fight him a little bit because he go beef.
When
He go
you
bust
reach on
it.
that trough, you go earlier.
And I hook or else more.
So
Keep it tight. Don't get him slack. Keep the rubber bend rod in the bend. Oh, the rod bending all the time.
Nice one, boy.
Like 15 pound test, right? Alright, let's just keep the rod bend, right? Don't let the rod get slack.
Nice to get any more that hole, you know.
Whoa!
You still have it, right?
Yeah. Let's keep the rod, bending the rod all the time, right? Papa, on its first tap on it, I feel he might get away because Papa not keeping our rod bend properly, right? That's it, right? J-Lo had to go down in the mud and hold him here. Hey, killer. You go mash up my rod there.
Watch the coconut branch, eh?
Papa, watch your man face here. Watch this guy face.
No, look, he's floating.
Alright, he floating. Alright, but J-Lo go and game now.
Oh God, he did.
Yeah, good hook
That's
set
a
there.
nice one, though.
Jolly
Jolly little cookie, so good, right?
Why didn't hook himself? He like the worm too.
What bait is that you put in there?
The worm.
You won.
See what I tell you? You don't want to fish with
It
it.
was a snook, boy.
Papa on. Tap on just about ready to come up, guys. One more jump and he should come up. Is it here? There's a jump there. Let me see.
Hopefully he'll jump up on the boat.
Yeah. Right.
What's that branch, guys?
Wait, watch it.
You walk forward, let me go by the branch.
On the branch. Ah, he coming up right now.
Yeah.
Let's slide him up, right? Don't pull him up.
He go and beat me with mud.
Can't go to the edge there, J-Lo. Little canal harder. Oh god, he on the branch now. Now he dead. And this man rod's still out here. Watch the hooks on that rod, eh? Right, stop, boy. You wrap up that rod. Pass it over it.
Pop.
Wait, there's a big cap one, boy.
Yeah, it's big.
Big cavali come back.
shit, boy.
Nah, he up there, he up there. That's not, Papa. Just walk back slow. That's not, wait till he face.
Yeah, that's all. You hook up here,
Oh,
boy.
jeez, comedy fest here in truth, guys.
Okay, so
When you see his face turn towards the mud,
You
just
just
walk
keep
back slow,
fighting
right? When your face turn towards the mud,
Bravo.
just walk back slow. Papa, under intense pressure, you gotta check that face. Ah. What you brother? You brother, say line bust? Nah, that's not. Yeah, you forget me that. Just slide him up. You done tired there already. Gotta make sure your head turning this way before you pull him, right?
It's perfect shit.
There you go, walk out for us on them, right?
No, I'm hoping up there.
Hey, boss out, boy! Hold it!
But I'm also, boy.
Shit,
Did you win
boy.
one?
It was the curly tail, boy.
They got a nice fight.
Well, Papa, what do you think about that, brother?
Whoever put the line is quite terrible because look, the
The
thing
hook's
there.
still there, brother. Is you like good the fish because it wasn't keeping your rod bent.
I literally was.
So, boy, what do you think about that release there?
Fatality.
Oh, jeez, man.
Where's your suppose?
That man going back home with all, yeah? He fight him good, guys. He fight him good, but just in the end, he just jump off there. Too much amount, fish on.
That was right by a line.
Yeah, but they ain't taking the line, bro. Yeah, snook ram. Right in the shallow, yes. Jeez and ages. Fish on the rod. Jeez.
Yeah, that's that one.
Nah, catfish. Catfish. First catfish we see for the day. Throw you back, throw you back.
Squeeze your lip before you jump.
Yeah, let me see. Starboy with another snook here. This one's a fat snook. He said he swallowed, but he didn't swallow nothing. Look right here.
Was any mode very bad?
So we release him. Small guy, but nice little fat snook. Well done, Starboy.
I don't think I would play.
Bye. That's a snook scar, boy. I like that, boy. See some bait on his side here. My bait could be a little too big compared to that, but you never have a bigger snook in between eating a small bait. I he take my. Well, he's a small fella, but he's still taking. Snook ram. Oh, I got a nice bite there, boy. Damn, I got a nice snook bite there. What's that? He must have a small fish there, yes? Maybe about a 20. Yeah. Yeah. Nice, come on, broski.
That's also a good fish. And it was so silent.
Yeah. Nice, come on. Let's see if we could do that again.
Hey, you saw that?
You have him? Fight him, bring a tap on, man.
I want it.
Really drag okay, right? Finally another tap on guys. And more chaos here. Comedy show continues. Oh, a nice little guy. We're supposed to be able to catch this one. Oh, jeez and ages, boy. Dog, you can't pull him up, so. We still get to land that tap on here, guys. Star boy. You try to rough him up, doggy. Some tap on playing right in the corner there, boy. Just can't reach them. Oh. Yeah. Real tap on in the corner here, but I can't reach them at all, boy. Where the hell? There's one right there. Fish like they're going mad right now, yes? Oh, watch out, I will hook you. Yeah, but I go hit you if you're there. Tap on. Lego master, get Lego master my line here, you know. Go back, walk back that way. Alright, watch that line, watch that next line. That's the one, don't move that line, hold it right there. Right. Yeah. Go back so, you can't pull him up like you go hook him already. Alright, let me see, he dead already.
He dead?
Yes, no, I don't hold it there.
Feel like he can't follow.
Tap on landed.
Put him in the bucket. He's too big.
Yes, no, I'm gonna unhook him.
The good thing about tap on, they can't really spike you like snook. So fresh.
Who holding him for a picture?
Okay, let's first do it because.
Alright, hold him in your mouth, right?
Okay, I need to put him in your mouth. That was not easy to let me just hold him once. Not for the picture, I just want to hold him. Looking nice.
Yes, no, eh?
No, let's first hold the tree picture.
Well, come fast, don't play with them too much. Put him back on the ground. GoPro just died, guys. Starboy with a nice little tap on here. We're gonna release him. You feel like you can eat him in that water?
No.
Alright, I will take him over for you. Hold this camera there.
My hand's slimy, my hand's fishy.
Point it towards me there. We're gonna eat him. Alright guys, I don't even have an intro for this video, but we're doing an outro. Pressure today. Well, not pressure, we catch real fish. Lego master, Lego the most. How much you catch? About 10 cavali.
Yeah.
Starboy, how much you catch?
10 cavali and a tap on.
You catch it tap on?
The tap on?
Okay, put it up here. You?
Probably. Well, the snook I will keep. The
Oh, that's small snook. About
yeah, the
four,
fat snook.
about 5 small snook.
Yeah.
Any cavali?
Yeah, no, probably like 7 cavali.
Whee! So we catch real fish actually. Just come for a quick morning session. Artificials only, we throw out cut bait. We can catch a fish on the cut bait besides a catfish. Right, so hope you guys enjoy this quick fish video, fishing in the river, in the backyard. Keep fishing, fish on.